Give Me a Book Foundation Program, iti opisina ni Congressman Angelo Marcos Barba, ang toltoloy. At tumang report, mga idol, iti namutig niya.
IFM News. IFM News. IFM News. Lokal.
Ti pa nagbasa ket isu ti maysa kadagiti runa nagagayam ti pagadalan. Gapu iti rating ti literacy kan reading comprehension ket ngiwaya ti opisina ni Congressman Angelo Marcos Barba ket dagiti LGUs ti isang sangayan na programa tapno irikasta ket masursuro dagiti ubing ti agbasa analaing kuna ni Miss Chona Colayco Lagots, founder ti Give Me a Book Foundation ket napitas launa programa daytoy ken gaputa iti panaglabas ti panawen ket makita ti panagbalin analaing agbasa dagiti estudyante.
Kami ang Give Me a Book Foundation. We create books so that Filipino kids will learn how to read and they develop the foundational skills in literacy. And our foundation, we do three things. We create books, we look for sponsors, and then we partner with schools. So Congressman Barba is one of our donors, and he donated books to the 11 schools in San Nicolas.
Okay. So for how long na po yung programa po natin ito?
So this started last September. So ang nangyari is the first steps kasi of our partnerships with schools is we put the school heads in charge of part one, which is preparing all the books for their learners by putting them in reading bags, and then they have to do what they call school-led action cells with their teachers to learn about the leveled books and why leveled books are important. And then the next part is the school visits, which is what we did starting Tuesday afternoon. And the school visits, the purpose is to see how the implementation is going. It's like a quick evaluation of what the teachers and school heads and students are doing so that we can teach them the next step. So this morning we had a 2-hour teacher seminar to help the teachers learn how to use the books more.
Kabayatan na kuna ni Mr. Timothy Andrew Flores, Chief of Staff ni Congressman Angelo Marcos Barba, ket nag-invest iti basakbayan ti diputado ken renogyan na iti ti San Nicolas.
Success, and we are very happy, especially the office of Congressman Angelo Marcos Barba, represented by his staff. We see that a lot of teachers are very thankful, and not just the teachers but also the principals as well. Kasi kung ipagpapatuloy natin yung literacy program ay mas maraming bata mga matututo magbasa. Hindi lang magbasa kundi mag-unawa sa kanilang mga binabasa.
So paano po natin i-sustain yung program po natin?
So initially the program was a donation from Kong Barba, from his own funding. So his trust talaga is for to kickstart the program, and after this, of course, it will be the local government unit. So in particular, we chose San Nicolas LGU because we have a good relationship, and of course dito yung town ni Kong Barba. Ang susunod na programa nito itutuloy ng LGU sa kanilang educational fund. So, kumbaga sa simula, it is funded galing sa donation ni Kong Barba, and then hopefully makita to ng DepEd and ma-adapt ito sa kanilang programa mismo.
Manam na mga itimasangwanan kagrunaan na iti umay atawin 2026 ket awanton dagiti estudyante asaan na nga amo ti agbasa.